I don't know how to shoot.
Here's a way you can improve that. Give me the ball. Put your hand simply like that, and the other hand right here. And instantly shoot.
Bro.
Your hand right here, and put your hand right there. And then start shooting. That will improve your shooting a lot.
Whoa! That was a great tip. Do you have any more?
Yeah, here's another one. If you need to shoot better and your arms are in the wrong shape and you hurt your arms, shoot like this. Here, try.
I'm like Stephen Curry now. Wait, no, I'm still like Stephen Curry.
Just because I told you those tips doesn't mean you have to shoot right away from after 3.
But I do.
Follow me for some more. And if you want to learn some more basketball tips, follow me on my channel. Bye, guys.